Hi everyone, this is Vishal from CLAT Prep and we have Arnav Gupta who is All India rank 141 in the CLAT 2026 exam with us. So Arnav, what was your feeling when you saw your result?
Sir, honestly, thoda unexpected tha because I expected a better rank. When I got the result, I was a little shocked. But at the end of the day, I was happy ki, like, obviously 141 is not a bad rank. So the effort showed in the end and yeah, I was very happy. A little
So
unexpected.
141 is not a bad rank at all. I mean, landing up at the top 2 or top 3 NLUs makes sense every time. And having said that, the kind of efforts you had put in, which we have seen for the past 8 months, because you joined us in the month of May, and जो आपने efforts डाले थे, so I could actually sense कि ठीक है, you will land up at one of the NLUs. ठीक है, 141 rank is a good rank any day, right? So when you started your preparation, what was the weakest area as per you?
No doubt, sir, GK was definitely the weakest area. I was very confused in how I'll handle GK because it was certainly my weakest area.
So how did you work on it?
So the handouts definitely helped because, like, you can sense what is important. Like, the handouts have something in bold, so I'll know that it's important. Why wasn't it in the news? Like, these sections help me, and the classes really help because obviously GK is mainly about self-study, but the classes help because first you will memorize once in the class, and then the teachers tell you what's important and what's not, what extra to learn. So the teachers, the classes, the approachable faculty. Because I had any doubts, I could easily go to the GK faculty. They could tell me what to do, what not to do. So I had good guidance and that helped me a lot.
Okay. And what role did newspaper play in your journey?
So to be very honest, that was something I did not indulge in very much. In my journey, the material and the teachers were sufficient enough. So honestly, the newspaper did not play much of a role.
Okay. Look, CLAT has been a paper which was always taken as a reading oriented exam, and that is why a lot of CR practice was done.
Yes.
This year, surprisingly, when we actually had a look with the paper, so CR completely missing tha, and there was only questions based on analytical reasoning. So what was yours, take on that? Number one, how did you strategize that time, and how did you, score in the AR section?
So shuru mein to there was a lot of panic because obviously I expected CR and the paper was filled with analytical reasoning, but it helped me because my AR is also like not very weak, it's strong. So first I panicked, but then I just let that sink in, and the AR was not very difficult, it was just shocking. That's why many people panicked. But since we practiced a lot of AR in the classes and we had a lot of practice with the questions, so it helped us and I scored well in AR.
Okay. And what would you comment on the legal reasoning section? Because legal reasoning too had some questions which was based on current legal GK.
Yes.
So what is your comment on it?
The overall difficulty was not very high because the questions from the passage were extremely easy, but the static GK really took me by surprise. So because, as I said, I was not very strong in GK, that put a lot of pressure on me. So yeah, that was something which I was not happy with.
Okay. So tell me one thing, right? From the day you joined us, that day itself you started your preparation like very sincerely, or was it some kind of strategy being developed over the last 6 months, the last 3 months? Just let us know in short, आपने last 3 months में क्या strategy रखा?
Sir, I was very late to come to the realization that मुझे GK करनी पड़ेगी and this is not sufficient enough. शुरू में I was very negligent and I did not study very much, but in the last 2 to 3 months, I worked very hard on my GK. I polished my quant. Baki sections I practiced questions, not studying as much, but yeah, I had to practice a lot of GK to come to the score which I got.
So that too, before I remember when it was 3 months to CLAT, and when we were looking and we were having a discussion on your mock scores, the only area you were lacking was GK. So we had a discussion on it. Then actually I don't know what role did it play, but you obviously went for the GK and finally you made up a good score in GK finally, right?
Yes.
Chalo, great. How would you comment on the math section?
The math section, the first set, the percentage set was a little lengthy according to me. It was calculation heavy. The second set was, the overall level was easy. The second set was very easy and short. So I would say someone who has fast calculations could do it easily. But yeah, it was fairly easy.
Okay. So right from the beginning, you were very pretty comfortable with maths.
Yeah.
So what message would you like to give to the CLAT aspirants who would be fighting for CLAT next year? What role maths play in their final score?
Sir, it plays an extremely important role. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Like, at least one set to karna hi padega, otherwise NLU to you can't even dream of. GK and maths are the two deciding sections, I feel like, because legal and English, anyone can score above 20 in English and above 27 in legal. So GK and maths are these two sections which you have to work on. Because if you score less in GK, then many people will be ahead of you and the score will be gone.
So this time you are forwarding to say something, you are commenting on logical reasoning section willingly because there was a surprise of the AR portion here. What do you feel? Next year, can we see some questions from the CR as well?
Sir, it is so unpredictable, but I feel like yes, because so many people were shocked, and now because people will expect AR, they will put CR just to again put a shock on the
So
students.
the best recommendation can be given is कि next time be prepared with
for
both
anything.
analytical
For
reasoning
anything.
as well and critical reasoning as well, because anything can turn up in the final paper.
For sure.
Okay, so if I would say that your weakest area was GK and your strongest area was
Quant.
So how did you manage the other three sections?
Sir, to be honest, my reading speed was fairly good and comprehension was nice, so I had a little to no problem with English. But since I took the classes and I solved the handouts were very good for CR, legal, English. The handouts which were given in the class, I solved them very diligently, like just like I was giving my CLAT, and the mocks. I gave the mocks very seriously,
Great.
which helped with the reading sections. Otherwise, I practiced at home. There was not much studying, just practicing the questions.
Okay, so let us know about the journey of the mocks. When you started, what was the score you were getting initially? How did you keep on improving the scores? And what strategy finally led you to land up at 141 rank?
Sir, starting I was scoring around 70s, which was obviously very low, and I was not happy with the scores. Because in GK I was scoring 7 out of 28, 8 out of 28, which is extremely low. Then after a point of time I realized that GK pe kaam karna padega. So I started working on my GK, I improved my legal reasoning, my English. I started solving the passages at home. Dheere dheere score bada at 80s, 90s. Then around the last 2-3 months I was consistently scoring above 100, around 105. Then I was like happy with my results. Then that was the strategy. I just keep doing what I was doing in the last 2 months. Just keep practicing.
Okay, so let's have some final words of wisdom from your side to the next year CLAT aspirants. What suggestion would you give to them? Do they start early? Do they start now? What would you suggest for the students who would be eyeing at CLAT 28 as well? So let's have some words from you.
Sir, I think the most important part is giving the mocks seriously and analyzing them even more seriously. Like, honestly, in my journey, analyzing the mocks it played a big role in preparing me for the CLAT exam, because when you are giving mocks, just think you are giving your CLAT exam. It will help a lot. And baki to, I'll say one thing, preparation is just half of it. The half is on that day, on the D-day what you do. So be prepared for anything to handle the pressure. Like, you should learn how to handle the pressure, because kuch na kuch aisa hoga jisse you get shaken up, but you have to stay calm and collected. And baki, approach the faculties for any doubts. CLAT Prep has the best faculty. Vishal sir's door was always open. I always used to ask for advice. So if anything, just go to sir. He'll guide you the best way he can.
Thank you so much for the acknowledgement. So what role did CLAT Prep play in your journey?
Sir, like, I can't even describe how much helpful it was. Like, as I said, any small problem I had, I just went to sir and he would, like, मेरे लिए तो एक advice थी कि GK पे काम करना है, but he will give the most helpful advice, and even the faculties for any doubts, just go to them, and the handouts, the materials, everything was like top notch. So perfect, like, couldn't be better.
So thank you so much, Arnav, for being on board with us. I wish you all the very best for the A-Late result as well, because it will be anytime out
Yes,
soon.
sir.
And I believe that you have done well in A-Late paper as well. So I wish you all the best, beta.
Thank you so
much.
much. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.